Alright, we tried weekly test time, people.
Lows in the upper 50s. North winds around 5 miles
Right
an
near
hour.
severe weather. So let's
And
go,
now the extended
WXL40.
forecast for the lower Susquehanna Valley.
Go!
Friday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of showers.
Hello?
Highs in the lower 80s. Friday night,
Go off,
partly cloudy with a
WXL40.
slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows.
There you go. Weekly test.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Gary.
I can't believe you still did that in an 80% chance of watch issue in State College. That was awesome.